I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a good day so far. For this video, I was actually tagged by the amazing Debbie Knoblauch, who I will list below here, to do the essential workers tag, which was started by Ali M on here, who I'll also link below. It's essentially, she took the in the UK, someone created this rainbow right here to thank the essential workers who are working during this pandemic as just a way to spread happiness and positivity and just thanks and how much we appreciate everyone. And Ali M did the tag on here for everyone to do a look based on the colors in the rainbow to keep the spread of the thank yous and the positivities going. So I will be tagging a few people at the end of this video. If you can't do it or don't have the time, that is totally fine. I just kind of wanted to, tag people to keep the spread going, but I know it's a crazy time, so if you don't have time, do not feel pressured to do the video at all. I live in New York, and we have an insane amount of cases in New York, so it's really hitting home here. I checked earlier today. I'm shooting this on Saturday, April 25th, 2020, and according to about 20 minutes ago, we had 272,000 confirmed cases. We have 16,162 deaths just in New York State alone. And then the county that I live in, we have 942 confirmed cases, 42 deaths, but we do have 1,815 that have recovered. So that's amazing. And then the county that's literally like right over there, like if I just go outside and walk down the street a little bit and stand over the bridge, which is like a little bridge, it's not like a giant, like, Tappan Zee type of bridge or whatever. There's 27,231 confirmed cases, 920 deaths, but 9,371 people have recovered. So it is a very serious thing, and I think it's really insensitive that there are people out there who are not taking it seriously. There are a bunch of dum-dums out there who are protesting this because they are mad that they can't drink cheap beer in an abandoned shopping center parking lot with their friends, like the trash receptacles that they are. It's absolutely disgusting. Please take this seriously. People are dying, and they're dying alone. So while you're mad that you can't be a trash receptacle, people are unfortunately dying without their family members. So really think about that. I normally don't get mad or anything on my channel, but it really, really pisses me off when I see people not taking this seriously. I have friends and family who are essential workers. My dad is an essential worker. He has to go out in this every single day, and I get worried every single day that he's out there, that he's going to get it because he is older. I mean, he's pretty healthy, knock on wood, but he still is older. I have friends and family who have compromised immune systems, so I worry about them. And I also have friends and family that work in hospitals, and just hearing the stories that they're saying, it's just really, really sad. And to think that there are people out here thinking this is a giant joke, it's really annoying. So this tag is really important to say thank you and to remind people that there is positivity in this time rather than just negativity. So anyway, I'm going to go off on that. I'm going to step away from the negative part of that tangent and just say thank you so much to all the essential workers, the mailmen, the people who work in hospitals, the grocery store clerks, the gas attendants, the people who are doing takeout food delivery, anyone who's actually working right now, bank people. Thank you guys so much for, just going out every day and working. We appreciate you so much. So thank you. So I was really, really happy that Debbie tagged me in this because I think this is an amazing tag to keep going. Because like I said, it just spreads positivity around and thank yous to people who are being truly awesome during this time. Also, somebody that I wanted to shout out during this time is actually one of my subscribers here, but I know her in real life too. Her name is Pinky Swear Fiber Art. On here, and she is actually doing something that is totally amazing. She's making homemade masks in 3 different sizes, and she's putting them in individual plastic bags, stapling them to a cardboard thing, and then putting the cardboard thing post on a telephone pole outside her house and letting people take free masks. That is just amazing. That's what should be going on during this time, not people hoarding toilet paper and being mad because they can't be trash bags. We need more people like that, and it's just so amazing, and I wanted to really shout her out because it's really amazing what she is doing. So for this look, because it is a rainbow look, I, of course, decided I had to use my Tarte Let It Rainbow palette. I had bought this over the summer last year. It's a collaboration with somebody, and I can't remember who it was. I'll be honest, the person who it was with, I had never really heard of before, but they seem nice. But I really wanted the palette because it was adorable. It looks like this. Like, how cute is that? And then the little thing on here says Let It Rainbow, so I kept it because I love it. It's a really cute palette. It's a palette that I totally forget that I have. I don't, it's just little and it kind of like falls in my drawer, but it's cute. It works for the most part pretty decently. I like it. And I figured I had to use this palette to do this look because, I mean, hello, we're doing a rainbow and it is the rainbow palette. So before I continue to ramble on and, you know, shame people, let's get into creating a thank you rainbow look. So as always, I primed my eyes like I always do with my P. Louise base, and now I am going to go into the color Go For It, which is the yellow right here. And I'm just going to pick that up on a fluffy brush. There is a little bit of kick up in the pan with these, but kick up doesn't bother me too much. And I'm just going to go in a back and forth motion on my lid with my socket and crease area. You know what I always forget to do? Like in my other video, I like stuck my face really close to the camera. I can zoom in, and I never do that. So maybe one time when I want to show like super detail, like sparkles or something, I'll remember that I can zoom in on my camera. Oh, an update. I was able to see the meteor shower. It's been cloudy like all week in New York, but yesterday the clouds did go away for a little while, and I was able to go out. It was like around 2:30 in the morning when I remembered, like, oh my god, it wasn't cloudy, and I got to see one, so I was really, really happy. It was a really nice one too. It was a really bright, well, I mean, it wasn't the brightest one I've ever seen, but it had a tail and everything, and it was kind of like a bluishy white color. It was absolutely stunning. So I was really excited. I know like the peak was yesterday, but I am going to go out again tonight and just see if I can see some. I mean, you can see meteorites all year long, but like when they're, you know, in certain like asteroid belts and things like that are passing through, then, you know, you have a better chance of seeing them. And it's perfect too because Lyra, when I go out on my deck, is literally right there, and it's the Lyra meteor shower, so they're passing through Lyra and stuff. So if it hadn't been cloudy, it would have been perfect. The only reason I only saw one was because the clouds started coming back in when I went outside, so I was disappointed. Okay, so now that I have the yellow on my eyes, I'm going to go in to this color All In right here, which is the orange. Tapping the excess off, and I'm going to go lower in my crease area and just going back and forth. And then I want to just take a clean blending brush and just go between the two. I also want to just dip back into the brush that I had the yellow color on and just go across the top again, just because I don't want the yellow to get totally lost behind the orange. I just want to smooth everything out a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the brush that I had the orange on again. So it's like this. Now I want to take just a flat brush, and I'm going to go in to the red color this year. The red color right here called This Is It. I'm not even sure what I was just saying before. The red's a slightly different texture than the pink and the orange, but it's not bad. And I'm actually just going to apply that to my mobile lid, bringing it up a little bit into the orange. And then I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. So I was giving it kind of like a rainbow effect. So off camera, I just finished up this eye, and then on this eye, I just went in with Fenty's eyeliner in the color Lady Lagoon on my waterline. And now I am just going to go back into our little rainbow palette, and I'm going to take this little brown brush here, and I'm going to go into this blue color called Hustle. I'm just going to take that, and I'm going to apply that to the outer portion of under my lower lash line. I mean, I am going to bring it in pretty far, but not all the way. Like that, and then I just want to take a small little round brush right here. And now I want to take a little brush right here. I think I've said like little brush right here like 40 times, I'm so sorry. And I'm going to go in to the color You Can right here, which is kind of like a mintagey green color. This color I have trouble with this color. I find this color in this palette to be very powdery, and it's hard to apply. So I think I might actually wet my brush again. That's the only thing with this palette is I do find some of the colors to be a little powdery, but the green specifically is very, very hard to work with. It's a shame because it's a really cute color too. So just like that, the green into the blue on my lower lash line. This is my final look here. I like it. I think it's fun. It's very rainbowy. I did get all the colors, and I got the orange, the red, the yellow, the blue, and the green on my eyes. I think it came out really fun. This tag was great. I'm so glad that Debbie tagged me in this video because it's a great way to spread positivity, and thank you to all the essential workers. So once again, thank you to all the essential workers out there who are keeping things moving, keeping people getting better and everything. Just, we appreciate you guys so much. So thank you. And that includes hospital workers, postmen, garbage men, grocery store people, anyone who is, you know, working at the moment. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to tag the lovely Kimberly L. I'd love to see her do this look. I'm going to tag Rare Beauty Envy. I'd love to see you do this look. I'm going to tag Casey Baby. I'd love to see you do this look. And I'm also going to tag every one of you who are watching to do this look. I would love to see everyone's take on this amazing tag that's spreading positivity and happiness during a time that's a little rough. I hope that you guys are all staying well and happy during this like interesting time. One thing I forgot to mention too is I finished up this look by adding Shiro Cosmetics Fire Rainbow Clouds to my inner corner and up in my brow bone just for a little pop of sparkle. Unfortunately, Shiro Cosmetics no longer exists, so that color is not available anymore, but I still really, really enjoy it. I showed it in other videos. It's just a really cool color shifting color. So if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you so much for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I will still send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by for this second. Thank you guys so much. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they're adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. And so anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!